Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from group one ya. Group one will present the presentation about understanding riba and its prohibition. This is assignment from Islamic Muamalah Review. Okay, slide number 1. Islamic Financial Ethics, Justice and Integrity. Economic transactions in Islam function as a moral compass. Wealth creation is encouraged only when it contributes positive utility to society, maintains strict honesty, and operates with transparent contracts. 3 pillars of finance. 1. Prohibition of riba. Rejects unearned money derived solely from time. 2. Risk and profit sharing. Promotes venture partnerships where reward follows effort and exposure. 3. Transparency. Strict prohibits gharar, excessive uncertainty, and gambling. Next by Zahid.
Okay, the next material that we will present is about defining riba in Islam, linguistic and legal concept. Linguistically, riba translates to excess, increase, or growth in legal Sharia terms. It defines any unjustified growth or premium paid to a lender over and above the principal loan without equivalent if effort or risking sharing. Unlike trade, where profit is justified because it involves entrepreneurial entrepreneurial labor and market risk. Riba guarantees fixed and unilateral return regardless of the borrower's hardship or business outcome. Next, the stage of prohibition. Stage 1. Stage 1 is moral warning. In a room 39, once that riba fails to generate true increase with Allah, consulting in it with clarity. Historical context. An-Nisa 4:161 criticized pet societies for consuming wealth unjustly through usury. Stage 3. Conditional ban. Al-Imran 3:130 bans double and multiply interest as a key to community success. Stage 4. Absolute ban. In Al-Baqarah, surah surah second in Al-Quran, second surah in Al-Quran, ayat 275 until 279 issues total prohibition, calling precedent usury a war with God. Okay, the next slide is
Right, Kang Juni.
Kang Juni.
Gimana kayak gini ya? To main tip itu ya?
Ya
To
Kang.
main type of riba. riba an-nasyah, the riba of delay. This occurs when interest is charged off loan, debt, or credit agreement is if a borrower needs extra time to repay, the lender grant the extension in exchange for a mandatory predetermined fee. This form the apa bacanya kan ya? This form the baseline structure of conventional modern retail banking. Riba al-fadl, the riba of quality or excise. This applies to immediate direct barter exchange of unequal apa kamu bacanya? Unequal unequal quantities of matching essential commodities. Eggs, gold, silver, wheat debts. Its demand variety in spot trades of like item to guarantee actual exchange value and eliminate transaction trickery. Modern example of riba.
Slide selanjutnya, saya Naila.
Naila ya?
Enggak, maksudnya itu tampilannya belum di scroll. Iya, oke Kang.
Masih saya nih Kang.
Iya.
Modern example of riba. Bank loan mana? Bank
loan.
Bank loan. Borrowing 1,000 and being legally contracted to repay 1,100 for specific duration. Credit card accumulating interest rate and premium penalty change for carrying over a delayed month's balance. Violated apps. Paying structure, gimana kan bacanya? Paying structure administrative fees or rising interest specifically due to delayed repayment term.
Okay, next, Teh Naila, present.
Next slide.
Okay, next material. Why is riba forbidden? Equity and risk sharing. Islam mandates that financial gain must accompany entrepreneurship, labor, or risk-bearing, guaranteed returns to the leader leave the borrower carrying 100% of the operational risk, violating transactional justice. Prevention of wealth concentration. Interest-bearing system naturally funnel funds from struggling debtors to wealthy leaders. Banning it prevents capital from becoming a self-multiplying asset. Enters the incentivizing flow into the active real economy. Stimulating legitimate commerce. When money can generate reliable passive income without effort. Investment in production staff eliminating usury forces entrepreneurs to build real business partnership, driving job creation and value production. The next material is Sharia compliant models, partnership, mudharabah, and musyarakah, active venture model where capital and labor collaborate. Real profits and physical risks are shared proportionally. Apa?
Slide-nya digeser dulu.
Oh iya. Bentar. Okay. Real profits and physical risks are shared proportionally instead of imposing guaranteed debit. Asset-backed murabahah cost plus an intuition purchase a physical asset and sell it to the client and agree transparent profit markup, avoiding hidden compound interest. Leasing ijarah rent to own. The financier maintains asset ownership while leasing the utility to the client, providing clear equity accumulation over a set time frame. Maybe enough.
Oke, Kang Reza, sekarang siapa?
Oh, simpulannya.
Ini
Conclusion.
aja deh, saya baca. A call for social justice. Allah has permitted trade and has forbidden interest. The prohibition of riba yang tadi itu ayat Al-Baqarah surat kedua ayat 275. The prohibition of riba is not a restriction on wealth, but an invitation to build an ethical economy where compassion meets commerce.
Oke,
Udah ya?
thank you. Sudah ya?
Udah
Sudah
nih,
kan?
Kang.
Ya, udah direkam ya, Zahid.
Slide berikutnya coba. Ayo.
Ya, udah. Thank you for
Oke,
listening. Ya. Udah direkam, Zahid?
udah siap.